2012, but as a proud pupil of the Pearl of Jordan School. With this, I want to express my never-ending thank you, first and foremost, to our Heavenly Father for the life and everything that we have. To our ever-loved parents for always have time to listen and take good care of us. To the rest of our families for all the love and support. To our dear Teacher Sweet for much patience and hard work to teach us everything we need to learn and guided us to become better pupils. To our pretty teacher aides for listening to us, even to our little demands. To my classmates and friends for making my preparatory years the joyful ones. And to Ma'am Cecil, thank you so much for giving me the chance to be part of this school. Preparatory years are quiet, calm, especially with the hard subjects like Filipino. It's confusing, but glad we overcame it. We have to. Because we knew all the things that we learned will be our tool as we take the next step. As what they have said, one chapter closes and another one opens. So to us graduates, we did it!